Hello there. I'm Bhavi,
And I'm Gauri.
and on behalf of the Computer Society of India VIT student chapter, we welcome you to DevSpace, our annual flagship event. South India's largest hackathon is back, and we hope you're ready for an exhilarating 36 hours.
We apologize for the technical glitches. We will be proceeding now. The moment is finally here. With 7 tracks, a prize pool of 2.7 lakh, and over 1,300 participants, our hackathon is just about to start. Our tracks for this year are blockchain, powered by Ethereum, open innovation, defense and aerospace, healthcare and social responsibility, education technology, and industrial collaborations powered by DITE, as well as industrial collaborations powered by GoComet. And now, we would like to welcome Vaishnavi Nandakumar, Director of Events, Computer Society of India, to say a few words to encourage our participants tonight.
Alright. Hi Gauri, hi Bobby. Am I audible?
Yeah,
Can you give me? Great.
yeah, we can hear you.
Respected ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to one and all. Over the years, the idea of DevSpace has always been to provide a platform which can turn ideas into innovation. And although this year has presented its own set of challenges, we at the Computer Society of India are still extremely honored to have been able to continue with this legacy through a slightly different, if not a virtual experience. So, without any further ado, it's with great happiness and pride that I now like to declare the hackathon open. I'd like to wish all the participants good luck and may your best ideas grow into something that truly matter. Thank you.
Thank you, Vaishnavi. Over to Bhavi.
Uh, Now, moving on to the prizes that we have in store for you. To support female centric teams, we have a prize of Rs 8,000 for the best team with 50% female participation. A prize of 8,000 rupees will also be awarded to the best freshers team to encourage the budding developers participating today. Teams that win in the industrial collaboration powered by DITE track receive prize money of 15,000 rupees at first place and 10,000 at second place. In the industrial collaborations powered by GoComet track, the teams bagging the first, second, and third prize received 25,000, 10,000, and 5,000 rupees respectively. Sponsored by Ethereum, winners in the blockchain track received 30,000, 25,000, 15,000, and 5,000 for the first, second, third, and fourth places. And now for our final prizes. The team at third place overall will receive 25,000 rupees. A second place finish will win you 35,000 rupees. And if your team makes the best project in all tracks combined, you'll be awarded a whopping prize of 50,000 rupees.
Please keep in mind the following instructions and guidelines for the hackathon. You will be provided 7 tracks. You must submit a project tackling a problem statement belonging to one of these tracks, which will be revealed as the hack begins. The submissions must be made on Hacker Earth to be accepted. Remember, your project must be developed entirely during the hackathon. You may use open source libraries and other freely available services such as Google Maps, Facebook Connect, Twitter feeds, etc. You are expected to innovate and develop solutions at your own merit. Plagiarized ideas will be disqualified.
Don't share your work with the other participants on the server or elsewhere until the event is over. The organizing committee has the final say in matters of prizes, and the prizes may vary based on participation and the quality of submissions received. DevSpace aims to be a hub of innovation, encouragement, and productive discussion. So please make sure that you stick to these guidelines, and we appreciate your efforts and commitment towards helping us keep it this way.
Please feel free to contact our representatives from the Computer Society of India on our Discord server at any point over the course of the next 36 hours, should you have any doubt or require further clarification.
And now for our problem statements. First up, in the healthcare and social responsibility track, you can choose to tackle the problem of indoor fitness during the pandemic, because staying motivated towards fitness has been difficult in these trying times. You can implement technology and make use of your ideas to help you work out from home. Alternatively, you could help provide immediate assistance during emergencies. wherein effective communication and support becomes essential in all the panic and chaos ensuing. Can your innovation make a difference in these matters of life or death? And finally, you could suggest solutions that would help increase women's safety in high risk areas. Upliftment and women's safety is a major issue in the current world. Suggest solutions that would help increase safety of women in certain high risk areas.
In the next track, education and technology, the problem statements present are A. Develop tools that would increase productivity for students as well as teachers. All around us, we can see transition of all activities, whether mundane or large scale, shift online, especially in the education sector. Develop productivity tools for students and teachers in any domain of your choice that can achieve the same success in the educational field in the future. The second statement being, create solutions to spread knowledge surpassing language and ability barriers. The advent of internet has given accessibility of information to every single individual connected across the network. Come up with solutions to solve the issues faced by people with special needs in conventional education. The final statement is solutions assisting the spread of digital learning. As we move to a digital community, students have begun the use of the internet to accelerate their growth, develop solutions to encourage healthy competition, and facilitate community learning among students.
In the defense and aerospace track, up first, we have drones and UAVs, drones and UAV based solutions for navigation system. Drones and UAVs can be used for cases from ranging from emergency rescues to data collection and even wildlife photography. They have become a tool of choice. Use these tools and develop your innovations. You could also devise tools that make observational data more accessible for use by scientists, decision makers, and the public. The lack of a refined, authentic statistical data source and an inability to easily access it has led to the spread of a wildfire of misinformation. Make use of your technical skills and create tools to refine and present this raw data for anyone to build applications based on. And finally, within this track, we have online intelligence gathering and analytical tools. The internet caters to any and everyone around the world. We know that tracking the web for specific keywords can help detect not only the social, political, and cultural aspects of a targeted audience, but can also identify threats to national security. Build tools to identify and analyze this data.
Our next track is blockchain powered by Ethereum. Here, teams are free to innovate and develop cross-cutting solutions to problems in domains of their choice. Your project could aim to solve problems that affect the daily lives of common people, or it could be one that revolutionizes the process at a global scale. The only requirement being your project must be powered by Ethereum technologies.
For the open innovations track, we want you to imagine better products, entities, processes, and markets not restricted to one sphere of influence, but emerging from everywhere. With the barriers of creativity made permeable, everyone can build something significant. Rooted in the belief that collaboration leads to better results, enter open innovation. A track that looks for solutions to problems from any domain.
Our next track is industrial collaborations powered by GoComet. The problem statement ideas include one, lead generation tools for sales. GoComet's sales team performs cold calling and other cold outreach by shortlisting top companies in a given sector, such as pharmaceuticals, steel, automobile, FMCG, chemical, textile, etc., searching their top personnel and decision makers. GoComet wants to build a single page application for its salesmen. This application gives them a single view of information of different industries like pharma companies, chemical companies, steel companies, etc. The sales team can see all the information from a single page and it will help them contact that company directly using the app. Our second statement would be on procurement systems. Manufacturing and pharmaceutical companies such as Prestige, Sun Pharma require a variety of raw materials for their products. These raw materials are sourced from multiple vendors. A single type of product or raw material can be sourced from more than one vendor. The agreement for the product is contracted in advance and for a specific duration, such as a month, a quarter, or even a year. That is, every agreement has an agreement start date and final date end date. You are expected to create a web application that would digitalize this process, bringing all the stakeholders onto a single platform and cutting out all the middlemen. The above process takes around 45 minutes for one agreement, and with the help of a web application and your creativity, you can reduce the time to 15 minutes per argument. Assume suitable information as and when needed.
Our next track is industrial collaborations powered by Dite. Dite provides an SDK using which you can integrate video conferencing in any applications. In the first problem statement, you'll be asked to build an app or a website that uses live video communication and conferencing with the Dite SDK. The second problem statement asks you to create plugins for the Dite platform. Dite is a video conferencing platform that features interactive plugins for various applications. You can use these plugins for fun games to play with your friends or for productivity boosting tools. Make sure that your plugins help boost the productivity and effectiveness of a meeting and take advantage of real-time online collaboration. Do keep in mind that if you participate in the industrial collaboration track, you will be eligible for the main prizes along with the track-specific prizes as well.
Let's take a glimpse at what the next 36 hours are going to look like. The hackathon commences at 9 p.m. tonight. You will be given time to ideate and explore all the various tracks available to you. And later tonight, you will be required to submit your team details, the track of your choice, and an overview of your idea. The response form will be open till tomorrow morning. There will be no elimination, and all teams will be required to submit their projects via HackerEarth by 9 a.m. on Sunday. Please note, our team will provide you with a link that will showcase how to access HackerEarth and upload your ideas on Discord. Following this, the judging panel will shortlist the teams with the most promising and captivating ideas for a project pitching round around Sunday afternoon. The evening will see the declarations of the results, and the hackathon concludes with a valedictory session.
For participants who aren't familiar with certain technologies but want to learn about them before implementing them in their projects, worry not. We will be providing a list of resources for beginners on our Discord server. Our hackathon mentors will also be there to guide the participants seeking help. They'll be active on the text channels on the server, and in case a team requires an extensive explanation, you can contact a CSI representative and schedule a session with the mentors. While you're working on your hackathon projects and trying to innovate, make sure that you use the filter put on by our Instagram profile on our handle at CSIVITU and share those stories with the hashtag showcase at DevSpace. The most creative solutions also stand a chance to win prizes and get featured on our page.
And now we will conclude. All the best to all the participants out here tonight. Good luck and happy hacking. Thank you.